Hey everyone, today I've got an exciting new guide for the PS Vita. That is Ultimate Spider-Man Total Mayhem. This one just got released and it's amazing to see the PS Vita port library continue to grow. This action-packed game was originally released in 2010 for iOS and Android, developed and published by Gameloft. Set in the Ultimate Marvel universe, it delivered an intense, fast-paced experience. Unfortunately, it's no longer available for purchase on the App Store or Google Play, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out the comment section for some great alternatives. Installing this port is simple and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure you have the required libshackccg.suprx file, also known as the Legal Shader Compiler plugin, installed. If you're unsure on how to do this, I have a full guide available. You can either watch that or follow a written tutorial online. My name is Robles Jr. and I'm passionate about covering homebrew guides here on YouTube. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I also share news, updates, guides, and unboxings for gaming consoles like the PSP and PS Vita. I also stream weekly where I hang out with my community and host live Q&A sessions covering everything from console mods and homebrew to personal life struggles and beyond. Before we dive back in, a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Avir Media, and their awesome GC313 portable charging dock. If you love gaming on the Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, or the RAG Ally, this 4-in-1 USB-C hub is a must-have. It's compact, lightweight, and more than just a charger. It's a TV docking station, data transfer hub, and even a keyboard mouse adapter for the Switch. With a powerful 100-watt GAN fast charger, you can charge up to 3 devices at once using 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, perfect for gamers on the go. Plus, it supports 4K 60 HDMI output, so you can dock your Switch, Steam Deck, or even a laptop and enjoy lag-free high-quality visuals on a big screen. Wide compatibility? Absolutely. This works with Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and more. Whether you're gaming, working, or traveling, this dock has you fully covered. Grab yours today using the link in the description down below. Huge thanks to Avir Media for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the guide. Now let's get started. First, download and install the VPK via VitaDB, or you can download the VPK via online. I'll have that link in the comment section down below. Once that's complete, connect your PS Vita to your PC using a USB cable. Download the necessary game files using the links in the comment section. Extract those files to an easy to find location, and I recommend your desktop. For the APK file, you want to use 7-zip to extract it, and under show more options, when you right click on the file, you should see 7-zip when you have it fully installed. If you don't have the 7-zip program installed, I'll have that link available for you as well. Next, we're going to create a new folder in the data folder called Spider-Man. And we want to move the libspiderman.so file into that new Spider-Man folder. Next, extract the OBB file and move the entire Gameloft folder inside the new Spider-Man folder. Once you have completed these steps, the game should be up and running. To improve performance, I recommend overclocking your console using a plugin. While I did experience some minor lag, this port is a fantastic step forward, bringing an incredible game to a system where it wasn't originally possible. Ultimate Spider-Man Total Mayhem was rated 9 out of 10, considered one of the best mobile games of its time, and features stunning graphics, an engaging 12-level story, fluid controls, and varied gameplay. The only downside? It wasn't an open world experience. Still though, this is a fantastic addition to the growing collection of Vita ports, and I can't wait to see what's next for this console. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this game and what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.